Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to extract audio from a video using CapCut. So, if you have a video and you only want to keep the sound, voice, music, or other audio from it, you can do this in just a few simple steps. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Next, import the video you want to extract the audio from. Once your video has been imported, drag it down onto the timeline. Now, right-click on the video clip. From the menu that appears, select Extract Audio or Separate Audio, depending on your version of CapCut. CapCut will now separate the audio from the video. You should see a new audio track appear underneath the original video clip on the timeline. At this point, the audio and video are separate, so you can edit the audio independently. If you only want the audio, select the video clip and delete it from the timeline. You'll now be left with just the extracted audio. Once you're ready to save it, click Export in the top right corner. Choose the audio export option if it's available in your version of CapCut, then select the format you want, such as MP3. Choose where you want to save the file and click Export. CapCut will now save the audio separately from the original video. And that's how to extract audio from a video using CapCut. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.